morning, students. So as you can see, this is chapter number 1, sentences. So explanation and all I have already done. So what we will do today, exercises. Okay, so this I have given you as homework. Arrange the following words in order to make sentence, right? So the teacher is class in the teaching. So these are what? These are the jumble words. We have to change them, we have to arrange them in such a way, then they will create some sense. Okay, so this I have done here. What will be? The teacher is teaching in the class. First sentence. Second, laughing a child is. So its sentence will be a child is laughing, full stop. Do not forget to use punctuation mark. Okay, the mother food is cooking. So its sentence will be the mother is cooking food. Okay, now fourth one, the roaring is lion in forest. So here what will be? The lion is roaring in the forest. Okay, next fifth one, four wheels car has. It will be a car has four wheels. Sixth, the boys badminton playing are. The boys are playing badminton. Okay, it's sentence I'm telling you. The eggs lays hen her. The hen lays her eggs. The hen lays her eggs. Okay, 8. The dog over wall though jumped. The dog jumped over the wall. Okay, the dog jumped over the wall. This is sentence number 8. Okay, now next exercise. Okay, there was only exercise, this exercise. Okay, so as you can see, you have to do it. All right, just do it in your notebook. Okay, so that you can better understand this topic, the sentence. Okay, how you have to create a sentence from the jumble words. All right, now let's start. Okay, one more exercise is there. Okay, one more exercise is there on the basis of types of sentences. Okay, as I have already taught, there are basically 5 types of sentences: statements, questions, imperative sentences, optative sentences, and exclamatory sentences. Okay, interrogative sentences. So questions are called interrogative sentences. So one exercise is on the basis of that is given. Write the kind of each of the following sentences. So first sentence which is given, are you my friend? As question mark is showing, this sentence is question. So interrogative sentence. Okay, spelling I'm telling you, INTERROGATIVE. You can see here, INTERROGATIVE. Next, Shweta is a good student. It is a statement, and statements are called assertive sentences. Okay, assertive. ASSERTIVE. Next, oh, he will get late. So this is what? This interjection is used here. So this is showing, and sign of exclamation is also there. So this is what? Exclamatory sentence. This is exclamatory sentence. Next, you have accepted her gift. So this is what? A statement. Statements are called assertive sentences. Okay, next we can see, please give me a glass of water. So what we are watching here, somebody is requesting, or we can say it is starting with the main verb. So this is what? Imperative sentence. IMPERATIVE. IMPERATIVE. Imperative sentence. 6th number, open your book at page 7. This is also imperative sentence. As we can see, it is starting with a verb. Open is what? Verb. All right, so this is what? Imperative sentence. IMPERATIVE. Okay, so next we can see, who is knocking at the door, and it is ending with a question mark, and we know about it. All questions are known as interrogative sentences. So again, spelling is INTERROGATIVE. Okay, next sentence, let's go for a walk now. So this is what? This is also an This is just leave it. Okay, it is the another kind. I will tell you what it will be. Actually, this is an example of imperative sentence, but what it will be, I'll explain. So for this time, just write there imperative sentence. Okay. An ox was sleeping under the tree. So this is what? This is also an assertive sentence. Statements are assertive sentence. So write it there. ASSERTIVE. Next, who has bit me on my nose? So this is what? Question. Put a question mark, as it is not there. Put a question mark at the end of the sentence, because this is an interrogative sentence. INTERROGATIVE. Understood? This is what? This is interrogative sentence. Okay, I think this will be clear. Just complete both the exercises in your notebook. Okay, in my next video I'll post chapter number 2, subject and predicate. Thank you so much for watching.